The weekly code quiz. What if you wanted to target a specific side of an element when specifying a border? In this case, you can use border top, border right, border bottom, and border left. Can you use the shorthand when targeting a specific side of an element? Similar to the border shorthand that we used when targeting all four sides of an element, the shorthand applies when you are targeting just one side. Border width, border style, border color. Border bottom, medium dashed red. This example states that the bottom border of an element should be medium width, dashed style, and red in color. Finally, you can also how would you adjust only the width, style, or color of the border on a specific side of an element? You can also just target the border width, border style, or border color of a particular side of an element. In this case, you would write border top width 10 pixels, border right width 10 pixels, border bottom width 10 pixels, border left width 10 pixels. Similarly, border top style dotted, border right style dotted, border bottom style dotted, border left style dotted. And finally, border top color blue, border right color blue, border bottom color blue, and border left color blue. Presented by Designers Learn Code.